Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Let us change the following word from English to Dinka. These are 30 words. Let's begin from word number one. One, way. Way. Dinka is called Pew Inuat. Pew Inuat. You get it from fermented milk. Win. Yum. Yum. Wedding. Rye. 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 Wave. Atiak tiak. Atiak tiak. Atiak tiak. Atiak tiak. Wave. Wave in the sea. Was. A pin. A pin. A pin. Wipe. Tick. 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 Wall. Punch. 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 Pa. Anya. Punch. Well. Yeet. 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 Get water from well. Yeet. What? What is called a mat? A mat. A mat. A ma e et. A mat. What? Wallow. Wallow mean rodalping. 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 Wallow. You lay down on the soil, on the muddy, on the water. You wallow on the soil. You wallow on the muddy soil. Whale. Dur. Dur or diao. Dur da u ra. Dur or diao. Da I a u diao. Wail. That is to cry when you are in pain or when you lost someone. Weeds mean yod. Yod. Ya u otter. Yod. Yod. Woodpecker. Woodpecker mean twig twig. Twig twig. Twig twig. Twig twig. Woodpecker. Twig twig. That is a bird. It used to pick the wood of the tree. Well mean jack. 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 Ja I e ka. Jack. Window. Window in Dinka is called aluit. 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 A la u it. Aluit. Walk mean chat. Chat or chat. Walking. While wind mean core. 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 Shoulder mean core. Core also the same. Core. Core. Wood ibis. Wood ibis mean ger ger. Ger ger. Ger ger. Ger ger malingit. Is a bird. Ger ger. One of known bird in South Sudan. Widow. Widow mean lair. Lair. Lair widow. One. Which. Which. Which I want water mean, and which pew I want milk, and which chap which. Water mean pew. Pew. Pew pa I u. Pew water. Wing. Wing mean work. Work. The wing of the bird. Work it. Wine. Wine mean mow. 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 Wine. Wander. Wander mean chat ipat. Chat ipat. Chat ipat. We get before. Chat mean walk or walking. Ipat. You are walking doing nothing. Just walking without aim. Yes. You are wandering around. You are wandering in the city. You went to a big city. Then you wander because of the tall buildings. You don't know what to say, where to go. You don't have the aim of walking. That is wander. Chat ipat in Dinka. William is called William in Dinka language. James is called Jemith. Jemith. Jemith in Dinka. John is called John. Mary is called Maria. Maria. Actually, we call Maria. Maria. Joseph in Dinka is called Joseph. 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 Ja o ta epa. Joseph. Yeso in Dinka is called Yeso or Yeto. Yeto. Cristo. Christ in Dinka is called Cristo. Cristo. God. God in Dinka is called Nyalish. Nyalish. Na a sorry, this is the wrong spelling, guys. It's called Nyalish. Na I a la isha. Nyalish. Nyalish. This E should be first, then A. Nyalish. God. Sorry for that error. Inekan the Ain by William Majak. I'm Deputy Tongyang. I'm Dinka tutor. Please go to our YouTube. The name of our YouTube is called Dinka English TV5. Please go there, subscribe, like our video, also share our video to your loved ones so that we all learn Dinka language together. Thank you very much for doing that to me. Also go to Dinka Awil Dialogue. Dinka Awil Dialogue is a page in Facebook. You will get it there. Also go to Dinka Learning Class. It's also a page in Facebook. Although we don't upload or put any update, we will come there soon. You go there, also follow and like. Also go to TikTok, Learn Dinka with Majak. Learn Dinka with Majak. You will find all the videos of Dinka lessons there so that you also follow us there and like our video. Okay? If you like to know Dinka language, please, the only way you support me is by watching the videos, also like the video and put the comments. So I want also to know the student that I am teaching. So if you are one of the student learning in this channel, why not for you to react? Just react. Put the comment. I will also know this one is learning something. Yes. Put some word there in Dinka. If it is wrong, I will correct you. Yeah, this is the only way we can learn. And this world of technology, we can learn anything online. Okay? Thank you very much for those who always comment and always put some words so that I correct them. Yes, that is the only way we can learn the language. I'm William Majak Malik Ding. Bye bye for now. See you in the next lesson. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Bye bye.